Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about transpose function in Excel. So as you can see on my screen, I have a data, this one column A to E, and I need this data in this format. So how we can achieve this task? So I have already created a format so that I can save your time. So like if I need the header in row and the data in the column format, so I need to type the transpose function. So uh, uh, I type equal to and transpose function I will use to achieve this task, and I will select all the data from starting to till end and bracket close and hit the enter. So as you can see the data transpose in after hitting the enter. So I am just copying and pasting as a value so that I will see you how why I am copying and paste. Now you can see easily this is the data, but cannot if I do not copy and paste, then you can see in my formula bar there is showing the formula. So that's why I just copy and paste, and you can just copy and send ahead. So this is one scenario, and in this second scenario, if I have the data in this format, the header in the row, and my data is in column format, and I need to present the data in this format. So I can achieve this task by I have already created this format as well. I am just type equal to and transpose and select all the data and close the bracket and hit the enter, and now you can see my data has been transferred or transposed. So I hope now you can clear about how and when we can use the transpose. So I would request please like my channel, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.